Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how you can listen to video content through the main center screen of your Tesla vehicle while you're driving. So to accomplish this, what we need to do is open up our web browser. This isn't going to work with the Theater app. You have to go to your video content through the internet web browser. So I'm going to launch that. And in our web browser, go to the website that you want to listen to the video content through. So it can be anything like Hulu, Netflix, Disney Plus, whatever that you want to listen to. You won't be able to watch the video, but you can listen to what's going on. So for instance, I'm going to go to my Fubo TV subscription. And let's say I wanted to listen to this NBA game that's going on. So launching that channel. And in the video player, I want to make sure that the volume is on and turned up. And now I'm going to put my vehicle in reverse and start driving so that we can see what this looks like. So I can still hear the game that I'm watching through the internet web browser. The video goes away, of course. You can't watch video while you're driving, but it is nice, specifically in an instance like this where maybe you want to listen to a sports matchup or something. While you're driving, you can at least listen to it, but it will continue to play the audio even though the video is no longer showing while you're driving. So now parking my vehicle again, and you can see I have that Fubo TV here in the played media area, so I can click on that and it'll launch it right back to the video that I was watching, and it just continues to play on from there. Once you're parked, you can get back to that video content. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful, going over how you can listen to video content while you're driving in your Tesla vehicle. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.